So you've been wanting to research companies, but you don't necessarily have the time to do it yourself, or you don't know how to do it yourself. In this series of videos, I'm going to be going step by step through my entire process from beginning to end on how I find companies, what I look for when I do my initial research on the companies. If they pass my initial research, how do I value and evaluate them after reading their financial statements? I will go step by step, including valuations when we get to that point, and how to evaluate companies. My name is Jason Rivera, and welcome to Value Investing Journey Case Studies. Hey, Jason here. I've been getting a ton of requests lately to begin researching companies again, so that's what I'm going to start doing now that I've delegated some stuff to my team. We've taken care of a lot of our major projects in terms of creating those major projects, like the Training Vault, our Rivera Holdings Consulting, our Masterclass, our revamping our $10,000 coaching program. We've taken care of the site. We've updated the site. Now that we've done a lot of our major projects, I should have a lot more time to begin researching companies again. So this is what I'm doing. All these companies up here, or all these tabs up here, are companies I'm going to research. These are specifically ones on my list to research in the Philippines. I've got a list for Australia. I've got a list for United States, Indonesia, all over the world. I look at companies all over the world. So if you have a company you think I should look at, let me know. I focus specifically on small, obscure situations from anywhere in the world. These are on the OTC market in the United States, which means they're more obscure, even though they are generally bigger than the kinds of companies I look at. I will be doing an ongoing case study on these videos, including possibly some live case study videos. There will be more information on this coming soon, but again, if you have a company you would like me to research, let me know and I will research it. There below this video there should be a form of some kind, of link of some kind that my team and I will create, where you can input a company that you would like me to take a look at, or you think that might be an interesting investment, something we could all learn from. I'm doing this for educational purposes and also to find potential investments. You never know where you will find investments from. Like I said, I've said before that I think as of my last check, there are 23 countries represented on my current watch list. And with this, now that I have more time to begin researching companies, again, that list will probably grow. So, having said that, let's get to these case studies. I will be doing case study videos on all these companies up here, including, again, companies from the United States, Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Japan, Brazil, all over the world. I'm going to be looking for the best companies I can find to potentially invest in. If you want to be involved, let me know either in the comments below, or again by filling out the form that should be below this, or the link that will take you to the forum below this. And I look forward to seeing many of you involved in this. I want to learn, or I want to teach as much as possible in all these. And again, you never know, we might find a spectacular investment in all these companies we're going to look at as well. Thanks. I hope to talk to many of you soon.